Imagine catching a burglar red-handed, right at your front door. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the top places to install security cameras for ultimate protection. Surprisingly, many burglaries happen through the front door. A camera here is essential for monitoring who enters and exits. Don't forget the back and side doors. These are common entry points for burglars, so ensure they're covered. Your driveway and garage are prime targets for intruders. Cameras here can capture any attempts to break into vehicles or storage areas. Inside your home, high-traffic areas like hallways and living rooms should be monitored to track any movement. For businesses, focus on areas with cash registers, safes, or valuables to keep an eye on critical spots. Perimeter cameras along fences and gates help you spot intruders before they reach your property. Be mindful of blind spots. Placing cameras in hidden areas ensures no part of your property is left unmonitored. Second-floor windows are often targeted by intruders. Install cameras here to cover these vulnerable points. Don't overlook detached buildings like garages or sheds. Cameras at their entrances secure valuable tools and equipment. Need help with camera placement? At SecureView Security Cameras, our experts can design and install a system tailored to your needs. Contact us today at www.secureviewcameras.com.